وعنتن شغلة وعدكي هدي سيدا نقول ولو إلى ودي لاي وراني قصعدي يقوي علي وعنتن شغلة وعدكي هدي سيدا نقول ولو إلى ودي لاي.
Hey, your phone is ringing.
I'm coming. Yeah, where's my phone?
Whose number did you save as my love?
I haven't thought it's something serious.
Oh, so you think having extramarital affairs is not a big deal? You even have the guts to save a number as my love. How could you?
Okay, why not pick the call and put it on speaker?
Before you even say. Hello, who is this? And what do you want?
Is it not Mama Apples? Don't you know my number? Or are you saying I can't call my son again?
Mama? Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't know it's you.
You don't know it's me? Is my number not on your husband's phone again? Why are you the one picking his calls?
I'm sorry, Mama. He saved your number with a different name. Honey, why didn't you tell me he's your mother? I'm so sorry for not trusting you.
I'm like a tree planted by the rivers. I'm an eagle. Sorry,
You have another call.
Who is it this time?
Mr. Wale Carpenter. Hello, sweetheart.
Hello, Mr. Wale.
This one you're calling me Mr. Wale. I guess your wife is there.
Yes, so...
Well, I'm missing you, honey, and I want you to come over.
Okay, give me some minutes. I will be with you.
Hurry up there, and don't forget the 50,000 naira you promised me.
No problem. I will bring your balance.
That's my baby. Mwah, I love you.
Me too. I love your work. Honey, that was Mr. Wale, the man handling our carpentry work in the office. I need to go see him now and give him some money.
There is God in everything we are doing.
Thank you for watching Femi Cartoons. Please share with friends and also subscribe to our channel.